Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking. Before we leave Birmingham, we've got to try Tortugas. This is voted the best pizza in Alabama. We're gonna come give it a try. This is it here. Pretty cool little atmosphere. And I've been told there's a meat special, the carne special. Yeah, look, it's on the front of the menu. They say that's the pizza to get. It's a Chicago style pie. And they also have garlic bread, baked subs, lasagna, things like that. So yeah, we're excited to try this Chicago style pizza. So this is what we're going with here. We're going to get some the Chicago style carne pizza, deep dish. That's what they're famous for. And then we're going to get some garlic bread. So that's what we've been told to get, and we're going to give it a try. Add the bacon to it. Are you versus bacon?
I got bacon.
All right. You just can't have fruits and vegetables, so no jalapenos. Can we get some hot honey on the side? I do want to try that. Okay, and then we want to do the big, that pizza you were telling about, the carne, the large Chicago stuffed pie, and they want some thin sliced pizza. What do y'all want? What flavor?
The large thin crust pepperoni.
All right, we got the cheesy bread with bacon. We got some marinara and some hot honey on the side. Oh man, that's good. Ready? All right, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna do the marinara there, there, and a little bit of hot honey. Let's give it a try. Pretty freaking delicious. Let's go. I want to give y'all one takeaway right now. This hot honey they have here is a must. You've got to get this as a good dipping sauce for your pizza or breadsticks or whatever. This stuff's awesome. So our thin crust pepperoni just came out. The deep dish takes a little longer. Let's give it a try.
It's hot.
Okay. We will give it a try. We're going to try this and put a little hot honey on it. That's good. Good undercarriage too. That's a nice pizza. Oh, look at this. This is the deep dish. And y'all, I want to lift this up because I know what oh, look at that bad boy. That's something else. Y'all, I'm gonna let this cool just for a minute before I try it. But that is a pizza right there now. Look at all that goodness. That's what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, we're gonna give it a try. Oh, wow. That's some good pie. Let me tell you, it's almost a cross between like a thin crust and a deep dish because it's not a lot of bread. It's nice and crispy, and yet it's got the deep dish of all the toppings and everything else. So this is very unique pizza. Chicago style kind of, but not a bunch of dough. This is good stuff, y'all. Y'all, this is a really good idea to come here. I mean, this pizza, look, Keith and I ate a slice apiece and it pretty much fill you up, just one slice. Really, really good. Again, the cross between a Chicago style thick crust, you've got all those toppings, everything, but you don't have, or I shouldn't say thick crust, I should say deep dish, because it's a dish with all these toppings. You got ham, you got bacon, you got pepperoni, you got all that good stuff. And then we have this, look, let me show y'all something. We have this thin crust over here, and it is really, really good. So everything here was excellent. You know, I will say this, don't come in a hurry because these pizzas take a while to cook. They're made to order. So a pizza like this is about 30, 45 minutes to bake. So we really enjoyed ourselves here.